Introducing the next wire tire from Accent, the Accent R400. Designed with legendary Accent reliability, this new wire tire is engineered to minimize operational costs for 2-ram balers in recycling and waste facilities. Featuring a non-reciprocating, single, one-direction rotary knotting sequence, and a high-efficiency 4-twist knot with a patented removable parts cartridge. The Accent R400 wire tire has fewer moving parts for ease of use and requires less maintenance, lowering your operational costs. It has a compact design that allows for a smaller footprint to accommodate different baler design obstacles for tire placement. And it can even be retrofitted to existing wire tire applications. The Accent R400 Wire Tire. Engineered, tested, and ready to strap bales. Accent Engineering did it again.